Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm gonna be recreating a makeup look of a character from Euphoria the show. I also created a look from Euphoria. It was Maddy's look. She's a character from Euphoria TV series which aired just recently. Its season 2 came out and it was really hyped, very hyped. So this is a character of Maddy. Her looks are very famous. So I created a look of Maddy on my Instagram. Today also I'm gonna create a look of Maddy from Euphoria. It is her look from she was in a festival, something like that. So it's from that. I really like that look. He was looking so good in that look, and so I really liked it. I really wanted to recreate it for a long time, so today, here you go. Today I'm going to recreate that look. So if you guys are interested in watching this Maddy's makeup look, then please keep watching. So the first thing that I'm gonna apply is this Swiss Beauty Primer. This is a really glowy primer, so I'm just gonna apply this as my base. Then after applying the primer, I'm gonna be applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. Whatever foundation is left, I'm gonna put it on my neck, just to match the color of my face from my neck. Now I'm gonna blend the foundation in dabbing motions with my beauty blender. Next I will apply this concealer. This is from Maybelline Fit Me as well. This is in the shade 10 Light. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. And now I'm gonna blend it. Then I will apply this compact powder. This is from Faces Canada. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty palette. I'm gonna take this light shade from this palette, this one, very light. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelids just to create a base. Then I'm gonna take this chocolatey brown color and I'm gonna apply it in my crease. So now before moving on to the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply my eyebrow pencil. This is from Miss Claire. I recently bought this eyebrow pencil. It is nice eyebrow pencil really. apply an eyeliner. This is a Like Me iconic eyeliner. I recently purchased this. This is a pen eyeliner. It works really good and it literally feels so light after I've applied it. Like I have not applied anything at all. I will create a wing as she has kind of a dramatic look right here. So I'm just gonna create a wing like her. So now that I have finally applied the eyeliner, I will do the diamond kind of thing she has on her eyes, as you can see. So I'm just gonna do that. I have this bindies over here. So I'm just gonna put these. I didn't know how to do this diamond things. I was like, oh my god, I have to purchase diamonds. You know, that small one beads, you know, that, and then I have to purchase a glue maybe. I didn't knew nothing about this. So I thought, who is gonna do that? And then I saw a video of Vitastha, but I don't know how to pronounce her name. But yeah, I saw her video and she was using bindis for this kind of look. She was doing a Euphoria look, so she was kind of using bindis. So I was like, oh yes, I can do it with bindis. Then I told my mom and she had a packet of this already. Vitastha Bhatt is a YouTuber. She's very popular and she has many subscribers. I started watching her because you know, she had a video about BTS. Yeah, so I was really into BTS, so I found her. But she's kind of like not a biased YouTuber, you know, she's like doing everything in her YouTube channel, so yeah. So voila, yes, I have finally done it in my this one eye. I will do it in another and I'll be right back. Okay, so finally I have completed the eye makeup. You know, see, it's in the picture of Maddy. So I have also done a similar look. Now I will complete the rest of my makeup. So I'm gonna apply this bronzer from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna use this blush from Sugar. I'm gonna apply this highlighter from this palette of highlighter and bronzer from Nykaa. I forgot to apply some eyeshadow on my lower lash line, so I'm just taking the same chocolate brown color. And I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. This is the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. Guys, you can see in the photo, she's wearing a brown colored lip. This is a chocolatey brown colored lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. And I'm gonna top it with a gloss. I have this nude colored lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips just to give them a little volume. So on top of these lipstick, I'm gonna apply this gloss. I'm just gonna take this a little bit. This gloss is from Sugar. So this is the completed makeup look. I'll be right back after wearing some earrings. So guys, I'm back after putting on some earrings and doing the ponytail. So yeah, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you like this makeup look. I don't usually do makeup looks like this. I usually go for natural makeup or very nudish kind of makeup looks. So it was like doing something new, which is, I literally liked it. I liked the makeup look, how it turned out, and I really like the Euphoria makeup look. So that is that. So anyway, yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.